Hey guys, I know this is not my usual video. I'm not out by the train tracks or recording train games. This is what I'm recording. Yeah, we got a real bad storm coming in Kentucky. This is really not my type of videos. But, yeah. Oh, that was a good one right there. Whoa. Just if you can get some of the lightning caught striking in slow-mo too, that'd be pretty good. Oh, whoa. This is lighting up the sky. Wow. Yeah, we're about to have real bad rain. Power might go out tonight. I'm pretty strong that the power might go out tonight.